you, Gabe. Much better. Gabe, you might have a little too much main Cunningham on. Just a hair. How far forward did you leave your mask? How far forward did you put it? Gabe? Too much. Too much. No. Yes, mask back. I want it 1/4 inch forward of neutral. Gabe's sail looked a little too flat. What I've had him do is I've had him move his, let his mast go about a 1/2 inch forward of neutral, and I moved it back about a 1/4 inch forward of neutral. Also had him loosen up a little bit on his main Cunningham. Still think the draft put the hair too far forward. I think you can loosen off a little more on your main Cunningham. Loosen up your main Cunningham just a hair. Okay, now let's take another look at that. Let's go down and take one more look at that. That sail looks a little better now.